In this episode of The Ingredient, Rob makes homemade butter pecan ice cream. The ingredients you'll need for this recipe are 1 cup of pecan halves or pieces, 1 cup of whole milk, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 2 cups of heavy creamer, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. To start, melt 4 tablespoons of butter in a medium skillet and add pecans and 1 teaspoon of salt and cook pecans while stirring frequently until golden brown. Combine milk, sugar, and a pinch of salt in a medium bowl until the sugar is dissolved. Add 2 cups of heavy cream and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix all ingredients and cover and refrigerate for 2 hours or overnight. After refrigeration, mix the mixture again. Put the ice cream paddle into the mixing bowl, then pour your mixture into the mixing bowl. Now, you're ready to start making delicious, creamy, smooth ice cream. Turn the unit on, set it to 40 minutes, and hit start. The machine will turn the paddle, which churns the mixture, while the ice cream machine freezes the ice cream. 5 minutes before mixing is complete, add the pecans that you sautéed in butter. Let the pecans mix in completely as the ice cream continues to thicken. Now it's time to remove the soft, sweet, smooth deliciousness from the ice cream maker. The ice cream will be soft and creamy. If you want it to be more firm, just store it in the freezer for 2 hours or more. Ice cream's balance of sweetness and creamy texture appeals to our senses and our emotions and is a great treat year-round.